Hello everyone, thanks for joining. So guys, see, in last class, what have we discussed? So what is collection or array? Yes or no, guys? And what
Yeah,
and how?
collections versus collection.
Yes, how collections are less giving less performance over arrays, guys. Due to which reason already have explained. I hope you have understood clearly. Great, guy. Yes. So guys, now in this class, I am going to explain what all those key interface of collection. What guys? What all those key interface in collection. Okay. So guys, one by one, we'll understand that is the most important what guys concept. If you understand this concept, so coming class guy will become very easy to understand. Okay. Let me share my screen. I hope my screen visible guy for everyone.
Yes, Kevin.
Yes,
Yeah,
very good. So, okay, we'll see here key interface, key interface of collection framework. Yes or no, okay? Key interface of collection framework. Okay, understand. Guys, see. So already explained, guys. Collection is also one interface. Yes or no, Amit? Great. Then, guys, see. This is guy sub interface or guy you can say child interface. Guys, see. As of now, I'm explaining guy interface. Keep in mind, guy. You know very what interface. There is no explanation, guys. You know for interface. Do you know or don't know what is interface? Because I'm explaining a key interface. So before explaining the interface, you should understand first what is interface. Yes or no? Yes, Amit. No, Amit. Up to you. You can tell me, Amit. I know very well what is interface. If you know interface, then this class will become very easy. Otherwise, it becomes too tough. Guys, see sorted set. Guys, yes or no? Yes, Amit. This is also interface. Yes or no? Then guys see navigable set. Did you heard name? No, Amit, I did not. If you don't heard, need to heard again. Okay. Then guys see. Then guys see what? Okay. Then map. Okay. Guys see. As of now, only I'm going to write here interface, not implements in class. Don't confuse. Amit, where is all the implements in class? I will go through one by one interface and I will explain corresponding implementation class. Yes or no? As of now, only I'm explaining what all those key interface which we are going to use frequently in our collection. Yes or no? Yes, Amit. Get me yes or no? Yes. So get
yeah,
map interface. Then guys see sorted map. Yes or no? Yes, Amit. Sorted map. Good guy. Then tell me. Next one guy. Navigable map. Map. Then guy. Did you heard? Map dot entry. Guy, this is also one interface only. Did you heard? Yes, Amit. I heard, but don't know. No problem. I will explain. Guys, see that is the interface guy. Then guys see for reading the data guy. I have told you initial class guy. If you are going to insert the group of object into collection class, yes okay? If you are going to insert or store the group of object into collection class, then how you are going to read that data? Suppose if you are inserted 100 employee or 500 employee or 5 lakh employee in the collection framework implementation class, right? Then if you would like to read the data, if you like to find the information of the employee object. Then how you can read guy. So with that guy, for for that purpose guy, so collection framework has given one concept. That concept is called a cursor. What guy? Cursor. Yes one guy. Cursor. Good guy. So guy, we have four type of cursor guy. Do you know guy? First guy,
Numerator.
enumerator. Guys, see, if you concentrate my entire collection class, definitely I hope you should not have single confusion. Really, it's my promise to you guys. But if you will not think, no, Amit, whatever you will explain, I will not learn, then guys, it's up to you. Yes or no? Guys, see, list iterator. You can attend any class, guy, any places. You can see what I'm going to explain you. Is it correct or not, guy? Iterator, guy. Then, guy, what? List iterator. Yes or no, guy? Then, guy, see, next. What, guy? Do you know? Splitator. Splitator, guy. Okay, guys, see, this is get newly launched in Java 8 like that. Okay, Splitator. Okay, but guys, this is very old. Guys, see, so this thing also we understand, guy. Guy, after that, whenever if you're going to insert some data, guy, when going to insert some data, then guy, definitely, guy, you need to sort the data as well. Yes or no, guy? Tell me, guy, yes or no? Yes, Amit. Sorting also not. Sorting also you need or not? Yes. If you would like to sort, then guy, you need to use comparator and comparable interface. Yes or no? Tell me, guy. Comparator and comparable. Guy, tell me yes or no. So guys, see this much of interface, guy, we will understand in our personal framework. Oh my God, yes, Amit. So yes, guys, this much of thing we'll understand as a part of our personal framework. Good guy, any question till now? No, Amit, I'm good. No, Amit, any confusion? Guy, tell me. Guy, tell me, any question till now? No,
No,
no.
yeah, Amit, I understand interface, but I have few confusion like interface. Actually,
Yeah.
interface have lots of interface are there.
Okay, I will explain. Don't worry. Uh, uh, Ankit, do you know what the interface? What it need? No, Amit. Guy, see in the class, if you know, you just tell quickly, and if you don't know, respond me. If I'm asking anything to any guy, yes or no, at least give answer yes or no. Manish has told this thing, I got it. So I'm asking to Ankit, do you know interface?
Interface is a intermediate between class and object. I am not.
Okay, very good, very good. That's a you're very now you're a baby in the interface. I got it. Abhi, do you know? Guys, see, this is the initial class of interface. I that's why I'm asking to you guys. Do you know? Leave it, guys. No. I am going to explain, guys, what is interface. Please concentrate. It will take not too much time, guys. 2 to 3 minutes I will take. Okay. Concentrate, guys. Very, very concentrate. Guys, see, interface. What is interface I'm explaining here. So, guys, see, interface means, guys, if you are going to create any method, guys, see, if you are going to create any method, okay, in the interface, so you are not able to provide the implementation. Yes or no, guys? Only the thing, only the method what you are going to create as per your need, that is, guys, abstract method. Yes or no? They understand very clearly. So in the interface, guys, entire our Java or entire guys, our this software industry, guy. So if anybody asks you what interface, you just assume, guy. So in interface, we are going to create a method without any body, without its implementation. But guy, some case are exceptional, but which is introduced in Java 8 guy. Okay, so default static. Yes, one guy. That guy you can also give the implementation. One two things guy. Default method and static method. Okay, that thing guy I will explain in coming class when I start the Java 8 feature. Okay. So guys, but a part of that, wherever you can see interface, so just keep in mind in interface only you will have abstract method. But for that abstract method guy, see, or main thing also guy, you need to understand. So interface means guy, so when if you would like to achieve the abstraction guy, yes or no? If you would like to achieve the abstraction guy, you can achieve abstraction with the help of two concepts, with the abstract class, with the interface. Yes or no guy? I explained this thing earlier while I was explaining the abstraction. Yes or no? So you can achieve the abstraction in guy two ways, with the help of abstraction, okay, with abstract class, and with the help of interface. So guys, in abstract class you can get the abstraction 0 to 100%. Yes okay, 0 also or 100% also. But guy, if you would like to achieve the abstraction guy 100%, then guy definitely you should use what? Interface. Why guys? Because in abstract class you may have concrete class as well as what guy? Abstract method as well. In abstract class guy, you will have concrete method as well as what guy? Abstract method. That's why guy, you may say you can achieve the abstraction 0 to 100%. But guy, in interface, always guy, we should not have any concrete method guy. Yes guy? Always guy, always you will have what? Abstract method means you will not have any implementation for respective method. Okay, are you getting a note? That's why you can say you can achieve the abstraction 100% with the help of interface. Because in interface, whatever the method you are going to define, that will abstract only. You need to provide the implementation in new implementation class, okay, where you can extend your implementation class from the interface. Yes or no, guy? But guy, in abstraction guy, so if you're going to use the abstract class, then you can use the use inheritance concept. This guy, child and parent. This guy. Any confusion till now? Why we need interface?
If we
Yeah, go ahead. Any confusion? No, Amit. One more time explain. I will explain one more time also. Until unless you will not understand, I will explain guy. Tell me. Can you explain one more time? No, Amit. It's good.
Amit, one more time, Amit. Sorry.
No problem. No problem. Understand guy. This time I will explain one more time. No, no. 10 day I will explain guy. At least once you will tell Amit 100% understood, then I can move to other concept. Guys, see. So interface or abstract class guy, both are used to get the abstraction guy. Yes, no? To achieve the abstraction. Then you may have question, Amit, what is abstraction? What is abstraction? That already I explained in the OOPS concept. Even you don't know, I will explain one more time, guys. So guys, see, if you are going to what? Show the essential information. Show the essential information and hide the internal information. Yes or no, guys? That is called abstraction. This thing I hope you know all, guys. So if you are going to hide the internal implementation and show the essential information, that is called the abstraction. So that abstraction we can achieve in two ways, guys. With the help of abstract class and with the help of interface. But okay, if you're going to use the if you're going to achieve the abstraction with the help of abstract class, you may get what? 0 to 100% what? Abstraction. 0 to 100%. Then somebody may ask you why you are telling 0 to 100%. Because in abstract class guy, you may have concrete method, you may have abstract method. Both the method we should have. Suppose concrete method means guy, everything visible guy. Yes, ma'am? That's why you can say 0 to 100%. But guy, in interface, you are not going to implement any concrete method again. You're not going to implement any abstract method. So what the method you are going to define inside the interface, that will be always get abstract only. Abstract means what, guy? You are not going to provide the implementation. If you would like to provide the implementation, whatever the method you have defined inside the interface, for that purpose, you need to create one implementation class, and that implementation class will implement from your interface where you have created the abstract method. That's why, guy, we can say it is 100% abstraction you can get with the help of interface. In the real time, in the project, in the company, in the application, guy, 100% people, 100% telling, guy, people using interface. Less time they are going to use abstract class. You may see, guy, whenever if you're going to join in the company, every place, guy, you will have only interface. Very less places you can see abstract class they are going to use. Why? Because if you're going to use abstract class, that means your abstraction achieve will be 0 to 100%. It may be 0%, it may be 100%. When 0% get, when concrete method will there inside your abstract class. But get only what? W- Sorry, what I told get. So if in every class only concrete method is there, get, then get 0% abstraction. If get in every class only what? Abstract method is there, then get 100% abstraction. I hope you got it, guy. Any question, guy? No, Amit. I didn't get one more time. Tell me, guy, if any confusion, anyone, tell me. I will go more time, guy. No, Amit. I got it. Guy, you answer now.
Good, Amit.
Abhi,
Yeah, good, Amit.
Ankit,
Yeah, get it.
Roshan, explain me what is. I'll explain.
Interface define the contract between abstract method, Amit, with implementation.
When we need to go abstract class, when we need to go interface.
Abstract class means, Amit, if you want to, uh, abstract class is not fully implemented class. This is partially implemented class.
What is meaning of partially implemented class? Don't know. Somebody is telling, I can listen. So I listen this thing, I have heard, but I don't know. Yes or no? Tell me yes or same thing, yes or no, Roshan? Some places you have read this thing, so remember this thing, I can tell you this thing. But if anybody asks you what you partially implement, you don't know. Ankit,
Amit,
why you people have
Yeah,
clarity, half knowledge? It's very dangerous thing, guy. I have explained in such a way you didn't explain. You didn't understand. But what you know earlier, partial implementation, you are telling this thing. Guys, see, partial implementation means only 0 to 100%. Yes or no? In abstract class, you may have concrete method. You may have what? Abstract method. Yes or no? Guy, but in trap is called, guy, fully implemented. Tell me. So whatever the method you're going to define, what? For that purpose, definitely you should create one implementation class. You cannot, what? You cannot implement a single method also in the interface. Tell me, is it possible? if you will have 10 method in the interface, you cannot implement a single method inside interface. Are you getting it? Yes or no?
Mm.
But in the abstract class guy, if you will have 10 abstract method or one concrete method, you can do. Yes or no? You can
Mm.
implement at least one concrete method also, but in interface not possible. Okay, guy. Because in implement, once you're going to implement, guy, that means you're going to what? Implementation class, implement interface. But the abstract class, guy, you're going to use inheritance concept, okay? Child parent relationship, extend keyword. Yes or no? Is there difference? No. Sometime, guy, the interview may ask the question difference between abstract class or interface. Yes or no? So,
Mm.
guy, so guy, can you create the object of interface? Guy,
No.
no. Why?
No.
Then they may question why? Why you are not? So if you are not going to create the object, then how you going to call the method? Why you need object? Guy, tell me in Java. Why you need object in Java, guy? To access the method, yes or no?
Uh,
To access the method, to access the variable, yes or no? So if we are not going to create the object of interface, then how you going to access the method of inside the interface? Not possible or don't know. Tell me. Guys, see, all are interrelated, guy. If you are not going to create, if you're unable to create the object of our interface, then how you're going to call the method? What method you have defined inside the interface? Guys, see that
By
purpose.
implementing interface.
Yes, that purpose, guy. We are going to implement our class, guys, from interface, we are going to implement one implementation class, guy. That implementation class implement with interface. Yes, okay. In the implementation class, you can create the object. Yes, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guy, leave it. I have discussed so many things, but I hope, guy, you understood what interface. At least 50%, guy. If you're not 100%, at least 50% understood. Yes, no, guy. Can you move?
I have
Yeah.
one doubt.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So, so while we are using abstract class,
Mm-hmm.
so we are not defining anything inside that. So,
What we are not defining? What we are not defining? Tell me.
like
I
in abstract method, we are not defining anything now. That is, we are not writing any implementation inside the abstract method.
yes.
So, why we are using them? Like how we are going to implement that?
Okay. So first you need to understand, guy, what is abstract method. Yes or no? First,
Yeah.
sorry. First, you need to understand what is abstraction. Right, guy?
Okay. Yeah.
So abstraction is the guy is a mechanism or a technique. So if you would like to show only essential information, you understand?
Yeah.
If you would like to show only essential information, not the internal implementation, just like ATM, I have explained you. If you're going to
Yeah.
ATM, guy, you need only essential information. How much amount you need to withdraw, what is the PIN, yes or no? Nothing else, guy, part of that.
Yeah.
But, guy, you have so in the internal implementation, guy, how your balance is checking, how much balance you have in the account, how it's going to calculate after withdrawing the amount, how much balance remains now in your account. This thing, guy, are you seeing on the ATM machine? No, Amit. Guys, see, same thing, guy, in the abstract method. So only I can tell, okay, if you're writing a abstract method, suppose what? Int add, so guy, int is the return type, add is the method, and you're writing int A, int B. Tell me, guy, are you telling this thing? So how are you going to add int C equal to A plus B? Are you explaining this thing?
Mhm.
Uh,
No.
Are you anywhere in the interface? Are you showing this thing? Only you are declaring the method or not? Only you are going to declare the method.
Yes.
You are not providing the implementation. So guy, you are hiding, yes or no? Understand guy? You are hiding. Only you are showing the essential information by which you are going to add. So int A, int B. So A plus B you would like to add, but you are not telling how you're going to add. Tell me. Are you giving the logic? No, Amit. Only I am showing the essential information. So I need to create one method, that the add method, the add functionalities. For add functionalities, whatever the basic need guy, essential information I'm providing int A, int B. So A should be some value, B should be some value that I would like to add. Okay, just like ATM machine, I would like to give only what? ATM pin, amount, nothing else. So how internally it's going to calculate? Balance equal to balance plus balance minus withdraw amount, yes or no? We are not seeing this thing here. So in the abstract class also, we are doing same thing. So we are not providing the implementation. We are not providing the implementation. We are hiding the implementation. Only we are giving the what? Essential information. If you would like to implement that abstract method guy, you need to create some subclass, yes or no guy? Child class. And child class will extend from a parent class where you're going to write the abstract method, yes or no? Are you getting or not? In every class guy,
Yeah.
you are writing some abstract method, and that is a parent class. So once you're going to implement that what unimplemented method, so you need to create some child class. Child class extend with parent class. In child class guy, you need to implement whatever the method is not implemented inside the free class, yes or no? Are you getting why you need?
Yeah.
Yes, see, simple thing. If anybody asks you what interface, you can say for achieve the abstraction guy. So you can tell to the interviewer also.
100%.
Yeah, you can tell interviewer. So if you would like to get 100% abstraction, then guy, we need to choose the interface, because in interface we have don't any facility to provide the implementation of our abstract method. Only you can create abstract method, but if this abstract method I would like to what implement, so for the purpose we need to get one implementation class. Yes, okay. But in every class guy, you need to create one child class. Are you getting not? So every class we use the inheritance concept, or interface use the implement concept. In interface, you will have only abstract method. That's why 100% achievement of abstraction. But guy, in every class, you may have concrete method, you may have what? Abstract method also. That's why you can say that is 0 to 100%. In every class guy, not only bonded, no Amit, in every class only you will have abstract method, no 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 no. In every class you may have concrete method also. Concrete method is what? Implemented method, no?
Fully implemented.
Yes, concrete method is implemented method. Abstract method is guy, only you will have the what, uh syntax, not implementation guy. I've told you int add int a int b, bracket band, close, comma, finish. You are not providing a body. The method which don't have any body, that is called abstract method. Yes or no? The method which don't have any body, that is called abstract method. The method which have body, that is called concrete method, implemented method. Yes or no? Okay, I hope you understood, because this complete class I have discussed about only interface. Okay, yes or no? Any question, any confusion?
Yeah.
I hope
No.
that I hope you got it, guys. Okay. Abhi, Ankit.
Yeah,
Yes,
got it.
Amit.
Okay, thank you, guys. Guys, see, then guy, we start from guy today. What our is first interface guy, list interface. Guy, this is the correction guy, you know very well. So correction is our what? Parent interface of all this child interface. You guys see first interface in our collection, that is guy, list interface. Yes, one guy?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, understand quickly. List interface. Okay, now you will understood what is list interface. Guys, see. So Java has given guy some interface in collection framework. So guy, you know very well what is interface. So the interface has provided only guy what? Abstract method. Yes or no guy? Get me yes or no? Get me yes or no?
Yeah.
The interface which have only what guy? Abstract method guy. Yes or no? 1 minute guy. Let's
Default also.
1 minute, 1 minute, guy. This you don't explain now default and static. I'll explain this in other class, guy. Okay, in coming class. This
Okay.
this different concept, guy. List interface API documentation. Guys, see, I will try to understand you everything, guy, in very what effective manner, guy. Guys, see, guy, this is interface list. Yes or no, guy? This is guy
Yeah.
interface list. Guys, see, this is guy extending guy collection and iterable. I have told guy. So iterable is the root interface, and guy collection is the root interface of list interface. Yes or no, guy? This thing, guy, you know. You can see, guy. Why I have mentioned this diagram, guy? See, why have why I have mentioned this diagram, guy, for understanding purpose, guy. It's very useful to you guys. This thing, what happening? I'm not sure. Every time it's see. I am collection. It is showing join method. 1 minute, guy. Sorry for this thing. Because I'm thinking everything what you understand it should clarity, yes or no? Yes or no? Whatever things you're going to see, guy. List is a also interface, yes, no? List is a also an interface. Collection is also an interface. Collection framework come in the guy collection, okay? So collection framework, so collection interface is guy inside our collection framework. But guy, this collection also have some parent interface, guy. Guys, see that is our what iterable, yes or no? Guys, see you can see here public interface list. Guys, see yes or no, guy? Extra interface collection, yes or no? Are you getting it, guy? Tell me yes or no.
Yeah.
So guys, see then what all those guy methods we have inside the what guy list interface, guys, see. And guy, you see this list interface introduced guy 1.2. Yes or no, guy? Are you getting, guy? Guys, see.
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, see, if you would like to more expertise in the collection, you go, guy, and you can check this the documentation. You can explore, guy. How I am going to explore, guy? With this only, guy. I'm not believing any documentation. I'm believing on the this documentation. Why? Because this Java people has launched this document, guy. Okay. So if you would like to more, you don't believe on anyone, guy. You don't believe on anyone. You believe on guy, this documentation because this document created by guy Java only. Guys, see, I have told you as of now, Oracle has on this what Java is no guy. You can see oracle.com is okay.
Yeah.
Yes or no, guy? Yes, Amit, you are telling correct. If I'm telling anything also, guy,
Yes.
wrong, you can check with that place, guy. Yes, Amit, you're perfectly fine. See, I also, guy, I'm a human only, right? Just like you. I'm not a Java launch people, okay? Only the Java has given what the things I know. How it's given. Where it is used. Yes or no? Abhi, Ankit. So, so
Yeah.
that thing that you need to follow also. Guys, see. Guys, see. Then guys, what all the method guys we have in list interface guys? This method guys, see. Method somebody. Mention na? So guys, the all method we have inside our list interface. I've told you guys all the method what we have inside the list interface. There guys, abstract method only. Guys, see. You can see it. The all the method guys we have in the list interface. Guys, see. I've told you right, guys. For guy reading data guy for reading data guy you're using guy list iterator. Yes or no, guy? Guy, see, returns a list iterator over the elements in the list in proper sequence, guy. Okay, tell me yes or no. What this method does, guy, it is explaining this side, guy. What I remove all, guy, remove. I will explain, guy, most of the method in our programming, guy, in our coding. Okay, but guy, for your knowledge sake, if you would like to explore more on that, okay, you can go through this documentation. Okay, see, I'm explaining in such a way so you should not have any confusion in coming time in future, guys. Yes or no? Not only I am writing the note, I am explaining. So I will show you also whatever things I am going to explain in the classroom, is it 100% correct or not? Yes or no? Okay, are you getting or not? Guys,
Yes,
see,
getting Amit.
guys, see, list iterator. I've told you, guys. Yes, Amit, you're told, guys. List iterator today, guys. See, yes, Amit. See, guys, how I am going to minimize the content. Because if I will tell you, hey, you go and check all these things, it already there, you may confuse. Yes or no? You may confuse. Yes, Amit. But guys, see how I'm going to tell you. So what all those important, see, I mentioned key interface. This interface, guy, mostly used in our application. Guys, see why you are learning Java? Because at least you should work in the company. Yes or no? Java is awesome, guy. You no need to remember all things. See, this all the method, guy. You should not need to remember. See, that one method, guy. See, but what all those are important. Yes or no, guy? That thing we will understand. Correct, guy? We are not going to launch any new Java, guy. Only you need to work with the Java. So no. If you would like to work with Java, then you should not remember all the method, guy. If you need any method, guy, anytime in your project, in your company, you can go this document, you can check, you can do yes or no. Abhi, if you need, if you need any method as per your need, you can go. This will get in online. Every time will there, guy. This document will every time is there. You can go and check. But which is the most important, which is generally asked in the interview? That concept at least you need to understand. Guy, tell me yes or no. Confirm, guy.
Yeah.
Yes. So, guy, that is our list interface. So, in the list interface, guy, you will have multiple method. Multiple method. Correct, guy? So, which all, guy, abstract only. Which all, guy, interface, na? Interface is abstract only. Okay. But implementation class, guy. Guys, see, if I'm going to check, guy, here, array list. Guys, see, if I'm going to check, guy, array list. Is not implementation, guy. Is not interface. Array list, guy, class, guy. Guys, see. This is a class, not get me. Interface or class, guy. See, mention class, guy. This one, guy. Guys, see. Then you can see what all the method, guy, we have. Guys, see what I have shown in the interface, guy. Same method, not get me. What I have shown in the list interface, same method, not get me here. Yes, Amit. Because this is implicit class. Whatever the method we have inside the interface, list interface, all the method you will have inside the, guy, this class. Why? Because array list implement the list interface. Yes or no, guy? So in interface water method, you cannot what? Implement. So for implement purpose, you will have one new class, guy. So, guy, array list is a implementation class where you can implement all the method what we have inside the list interface. Yes or no, guy? Can you confirm? Yeah, tell me. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So, guy, the all method, guy, implemented, guy, in our array list class, guy. Okay, you can see it. You can, guys, go through and you can check. If any confusion, let me know, guys. So from coming class, guy, I will explain what is lit interface and how this interface. So all the important point how you can remember. Okay, I will give one sheet, guy. With that sheet, you can remember. So that's it, guy, from this class. Okay, we'll meet, guy, next class and we can understand start list interface. Thank you, guy. Bye bye. Any question? No, I hope. Guy, confirm. No.
No.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining.